Robert runs, how many jobs you run right now?
Just 6.
6?
Yeah.
Only 6 jobs. And what's the biggest one in terms of yards?
Yards of concrete, I think we just poured 55 yards yesterday.
55 yards.
Yeah.
This is a 1.5 yard pour.
6 loads, yeah. six concrete trucks was yesterday, which was real fun.
Claire, slip this back behind my...
But we worked on some pretty good sized projects. We did the Moxie Museum.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was like, I think 1,200 yards we poured in a day.
So did you guys hear that? Kenny, Robert's company, did the Moxie, all the concrete work for the Moxie Museum there on State Street, right? That was 1,200 yards? 1,200 cubic yards, right? 1,200 times 27 would be, that's like 25,000 cubic feet. It's a lot. It's a lot of concrete. So I know this is a really complex pour for him, and we needed his expertise to make sure it works. But really, we're almost there. We're going to drop this on, drop some stakes on, but what I'm hoping that you'll show us how to do is best way to do the steel, to bend the steel. And here's what I'm thinking. Once I get this dropped on, get some stakes on, we can start, some of us can start staking, but I was going to...
I see a couple guys standing around right now. They can start taking some measurements of some steel and start cutting that.
We can start cutting steel, yeah. So Robert's going to get some guys lined out cutting steel. Yeah. It's 15 foot. So I'm figuring.
What you want to do is get your measurement,
14,
take 6 inches off of it,
yeah,
and that's going to be your 3 and 3.
14.6.
Yep.
So if we need 14.6 on our steel, where's our steel?
Edge, right?
And we will have a thickened edge.
But you're not going to only worry about that only where your piers are at, correct?
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. Because that's the only place I got is the 4 corners.
What you can do too is just cut your whole mat here and just make some little L bars for wherever they're going to go down into the little footers of the corners.
I like it.
So you're not trying to. Then you can make
not bending. Just
not trying to bend it. So you cut all these all at your size, and then you just make some whichever you need for these.
Okay.
Do whatever your hook is, like foot or so.
Yeah.
And then get like a 3 foot, 30-inch tail, and you'll be good.
Okay, you guys. We're gonna start. We're gonna get some of you cutting some steel. So let's see who's over there.
That's Ryan. That's my son.
Oh, sorry, Ryan.
Payroll today.
Sorry, man. I mistook you for somebody who gave a shit.
Came for the ride.
Okay. So, Clitter, would you grab the end of that? Okay, we'll put them right here. And we'll square up the ends. Let's see, so we need, I figured at 18 inches on center, I figured 6, right? Yeah. 6 runs 18 inches on center, so that should give me...
That's this way.
Yeah, I'm sorry. So this way, running this way at 6 feet, I figured, I gotta look at my sheet. I think I figured 4 of them. I gotta look anyway. Thanks for coming, man. Did your dad give you a choice? Did your dad give you a choice? I didn't think so. All right, so. You guys did?
The red statue that's on the other side of the, right there in the middle of that courtyard.
Nice. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
5. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 3 in the center and then 2 on the edges. So we need 5 pieces by 14'6".
Is it hard for you to do? Yeah.
Hey, you guys bring water or what?
Or coffee? Donuts?
You guys didn't bring water bottle? Huh? You guys didn't bring water bottle?
Yeah, I was thinking about bringing water for everybody, but I thought if you guys can't figure on taking care of yourselves as far as water goes, you're gonna.
Yeah, that's the most important.
You're gonna have trouble on the job.
You need water.
Okay, so let's. Okay, Claire, go down there. Never mind, you won't need to. It's just we need to get all these guys butted right here. Yeah, there we go. Right there. Bitchin'. Claire, I want you to hold me up against that 2x4 on this side of it. Yeah, so they'll be at the ends of my steel, right? So 15 feet. 15 feet, we want to be 6 inches back, 3 on each end, right? 14.6. Oh, but we don't want to cut them all. There's always something. We only want to cut, what did I say, 5 of them? Okay. Hey, you guys. Hey, everybody. CT110. CT110. Stop. Eyes on me. Okay, so while you guys are doing that, we're going to start cutting the steel. And what I've done is we got 15 feet on the inside, right? Steel in concrete cannot be any closer than 3 inches to the ends of your form or where your concrete ends, right? So 3 inches from each end is less 6 inches, right? 15 feet less 6 is what? Exactly, 14.6. So that's what that line is at 14.6. We'll cut 5 bars at 14.6. Those are our long bars. They'll be 3 inches from each end. And the bars that go this way, I can't remember how many. I think there's 15. I've got it written down, but those will be our 6 dimension less how much? 6 inches, 3 on each end, right? So those will be exactly 6 feet. And I'll lay that 6 feet out and we'll start cutting those too. Okay, so that's what we're doing here. And Claire's helping, and anybody else that doesn't have a shovel, you. All right, so let's do these. We'll do the 6 footers too. Let's see how many 6 footers we need. How many 6 footers we need? 6 footers we need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 6 footers. That makes sense, doesn't it? 11 6 footers on 18 inches. Right? 11 6 footers on 18 inches. So 15 is 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. Yeah. Okay, so we need 11 of those guys. So here we go. So we'll do.
So these ones are you're cutting, right?
Yeah.
These right there.
Those are cutting at 15. These were. I shouldn't have gone all the way across. Yeah. Those are the ones that are 15.
Measure 2 times, and you'll get 10, and you'll have 1 more that you have to cut. So if you need 6, what do you need?
6 feet.
Foot?
Yeah. What am I gonna do? I'm on these.
Well, that one you're gonna cut, right?
No, these are the 5 I'm gonna
These are the
cut,
5 you're gonna cut.
at
Okay.
15, and then these are the ones I'm gonna cut at 6 feet, right?
Yeah. So let's see. This one.
One, 2. Yeah. Give us one more.
That's okay. A little bit's not gonna.
Yeah, it won't kill us. Go away. Go away.
Here. Now this one you're only gonna cut. You're not gonna cut all of them.
Right, right. Yeah. Boom, boom. That's waste. That's
now we have this
waste.
little bit right here that we can make those little bends on.
Correct. Okay. You guys got it?
There's a piece of rebar in the ground.
Where?
In Mr. Man's hole.
Oh, cool. That'll be great. Who's got a tape? Yeah, that'll. We can work with that. Just now get these guys, get the dirt out of them, make them flat bottom, straight down holes, and that is, you're going to need to put some sand back in there. I want to be 12 inches from Yeah, it's going to be 12 from the top. But you know what? You can call that good. Right there. Call the bottom of your hole good there.
Good. That's probably left.
Call the bottom of that hole good there.
Okay.
Again. Just, but get them flat. Get them flat. The sides squared up, and the bottom of the hole flat. Yeah, that's plenty deep. You're gonna have to add some stuff in that.
Yeah,
But
that's 15 right there.
yeah. So actually, don't take any deeper and don't add anything. Just square it up and get the bottom flat. Who gave me this tape? Is that you, Dave?
Yeah, thanks. Yeah. When you're doing number 3 bar, it gets a little easy. Once you get to 4 and 5 bar, it gets a little harder.
Grinding that out with the grinder.
That's why I said so.
It's way better to cut them with the grinder, because the grinder, you're eating up all the...
Oh yeah, you're eating up grinding wheels, and you're
Grinding wheels
and you're
and
and you're eating. Yeah, you're eating.
Oh, okay.
Are you doing middle?
Yeah, middle.
Yeah, you don't have to be too accurate. Who wants to cut rebar?
You guys should try this. It's pretty cool with that tool. It's pretty nice and easy.
Check this out.
Somebody jump in.
Yeah, it's good to know how hard it is to grind through first and then do it.
Yeah, right, exactly. You do it the hard way and then you get the tool.
Okay, so there's our long. You may. We're going to.
We'll get those, and we'll mark out a foot on those,
Yeah.
and then they can try bending them.
Yep. Let's go ahead and cut the 6-footers. So we're gonna cut these, this line, that line, and that line, right? So we'll start with that one.
It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool.
And wait, before you cut, let me just triple check this thing. Because it did get a little bit confusing. We're gonna go from this end, right? Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Good.
And those two are good, yeah. Go ahead. What a trip. Okay, there's a 6-footer. Come on, keep going. Don't stop now.
You want to try it?
And let's get these 5 out of the way so nobody decides to cut them. And then we should probably lay out 18s, right?
Well, you want to get these 6-footers right here?
All cut, yeah.
We'll get 3 of these are already cut at 6 foot.
Yeah.
So grab these. Same thing with these. Maybe get one more. We get one more of those.
Yeah. Yeah, here they come. There's a 6-footer.
Oh, you want to try?
There's more to cut.
Yeah.
There's a lot more. Everybody can
down?
have a turn. Go for it.
Pull towards you, yeah.
Oh, that's way easier than you think it is. Wow. Okay.
And we need one more of those and you'll have them all.
What's the next cut, Robbie? What was the next cut mark?
I don't know. I'm not gonna mess with it.
Oh wait, we need 11 of those. Yeah, we need. So keep them going.
Where's the next cut mark?
Right here.
You just really push it, I guess.
Right there.
Who's next?
And then right there. And then right there.
Set you up for success. Right? I'm a good guy. Don't keep it going. You want to do more of that?
You did all that by yourself?
They'll get it.
Yeah.
And
Do you
it's always
guys-
good because you don't know how hard that is until you actually try it.
True. Come on, we're not done cutting. By any stretch. Come on. Somebody, anybody.
More 1-footers?
No, 6-footers. 6-footers. The rest of these are cut for 6 foot. Go. Thank you.
Can I try one?
You may. Come on over.
Anybody next? Somebody else want to try?
Not
We got-
bad, huh? So those go over there.
Last one.
Keep going. Okay. That's it. Bitchin'. Good job, everybody. 4. Okay, we need we need one more? No. 4 and 6, that's 10. We need 11.
Missing one?
Yeah, how is that possible? Did my math turn out bad? Oh, we got 6 here. This is not good. We got 6. Yeah, we got one that got put over there and shouldn't have been put over there. So, and we just need the one more. So go ahead and cut. Yeah, cut that one. I should have had you cut and then cut that one. Okay. So this should be 11 of these, right? 2, 3, 4, 6, 10, 11 of those. Yeah.
Then you get these that we marked out. If you can probably do it here.
Should we drop this on? Start.